What's going on, guys? We're taking this stock 2016 4Runner and completely outfitting it into an adventure vehicle, starting with a wrap, going all the way down to the wheels and tires. Check this thing out.
Hey guys, it's Alora Taco Vinyl. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are finally going to reveal the final build for Toyota Freak's 5th Gen 4Runner. So now I'm going to start at the very top, go down to the bottom, talk about what we did to it, who did what to it, and then give you a final look. So first we have our Cali raised 5th Gen 4Runner roof rack. This comes with a 43-inch light bar. And then on the other side you have your Batwing awning. It's 270-degree awning. Very nice look, clean for this 4Runner. Next would be the Evolve Satin Luna Rock wrap that we did here locally at our shop, Wrap Matrix in Boise, Idaho. As you can see, came out really great. Perfect finish for this 4Runner. Next, front and rear, you have your Alpha X headlights, Alpha X taillights, amber DRL for the front, LED lights, looks amazing. Now you have your Taco Vinyl 4Runner Topo Pro Grill with color matched satin Luna Rock letters, obviously to match the 4Runner. And then your Cali raised low pro bumper with a 30-inch light bar as well. These are the Combat Lock off-road wheels with 0 offset, and then full locked off-road suspension or shocks, 2.5 coilovers with resis. Next, we have our ARC mud flaps and inner fender liners that are on the front, and then the mud flaps here that you're gonna see front and rear. Then come to the side. Last piece of the puzzle are the Cali raised rock sliders. Last but not least, Taco Vinyl door pillars with Luna Rock Topo, and full interior Taco Vinyl door skins front and rear with the Toyota Freaks logo. All of the work that was done on this vehicle was done at Apex Off-Road, from wheels, tires, suspension, racks, sliders, bumper, everything else, the Taco Vinyl door pillars, door skins, and Pro Grill we did at this shop as well. Overall, this 4Runner is a great build. Luke is not here, but his parents are, and we're gonna show his dad. We're gonna get his dad's reaction of this 4Runner, because if you didn't see it before, it was pretty bad. It had some damage to it, and overall, looking at it now, you would have never guessed that it was the same vehicle. We've had this thing here for a couple weeks. We can't wait for it to go back to Toyota Freaks, and they can enjoy this 4Runner.
What do you think?
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I think these guys are magicians.
Came a long way, huh?
Yes, I can't wait to drive it, to see how it actually runs. But it's, yeah, this is beautiful. I think that everybody should come here.
Hey, there you go.
I like
That's
that.
what we need right there.
It is truly beautiful, and yeah, first class, first class.
What was the first thing you noticed besides the wrap? Because I know previously it was silver.
Well, yeah,
It's a
the
big
wrap was really
difference.
the first thing because I love the color, but then the suspension is beautiful. They've done a great job, and you know, this wasn't in the best of shape because it was kind of a beat up 4Runner, but now it's gonna be like new.
That's awesome. Well, we're glad to have done it for you guys. I'm glad you're here to come pick it up and drive it home. Let us know how you like it. But overall, I think it came together pretty well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it's really, really nice.